You have been counting the days down to this moment. The time has come to get out on the streets and go anywhere you want to go. And the Aerox 4 is waiting to open up a whole new world. Now anything is possible. Twist the throttle and the punchy 4-stroke EU4 compliant engine gives you strong acceleration with outstanding economy. Its tubular frame and hydraulic forks deliver sports handling and precision cornering, while the lightweight 5-spoke aluminium wheels feature powerful 190mm disc brakes for quick and easy stopping. With its Supersport style aerodynamic bodywork, this has got to be the coolest 50cc scooter we've ever made. Life's a race. So get out there and win. The Aerox 4's punchy 50cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine gives you strong acceleration and a thrilling ride wherever you go. Just twist the throttle and you're away. As well as being fully EU4 compliant, the low-emission Aerox 4 engine is also extremely economical, giving you plenty of riding time between fuel stops.